with my little Hawaiian guitar. Yes, I love my ukulele. I couldn't ask for anything more than my little tune joy with strings of 4. Others love the 6-string they play, but my tune joy is what makes my day. Oh, I love my ukulele. How I love my ukulele. I feel like a star with my little Hawaiian guitar. Yes, I love my ukulele.
The TuneJoy Ukulele, the simple instrument that's easy to learn and that you never outgrow. The TuneJoy Ukulele's solid wood craftsmanship delivers rich, full musical sound, even if you've never played an instrument before. Complete with Easy Start Playing Manual, ukulele songbook, precision nylon strings, and travel case, it's everything you need to start playing music today.
Yes, I love my ukulele.
The TuneJoy Ukulele. Pass the fun.